What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Ticker Fee video and welcome to the Ticker Fee family. As you can see, the ticker symbol we're going to be talking about today is GSAT or Globalstar, and specifically how Globalstar is partnering with a Brazilian company called Cisa Trading. Now they're going to be bringing asset management solutions for oil and gas sectors. So the question is, who is Cisa Trading? And then we're going to finish this video off with a chart analysis and price prediction. So thank you so much for tuning in and listening to this video. I'm super excited to be talking about it. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I talk about small, medium, and large cap companies, update you on the type of services these companies provide, what they entail, and what the latest news is. So welcome to the channel and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you're actually on my channel and you click on the video tab and you scroll down about 3 weeks, you'll be able to see one of the videos that I've actually talked about GSAT. Now, what I want to say is, if you've never heard of this company, just to give you a little background of who they are. Now, they are a leading provider of customizable satellite solutions for customers around the world in industries such as oil and gas, transportation, emergency management, government, maritime, and outdoor recreation. So they're in many sectors. Now, they have this type of device. It's a mobile satellite voice and data services where they have these solutions where they can connect people to their devices and allow businesses to streamline operations, providing safety and communication and enabling mobile assets to be monitored remotely via Globalstar satellite network. And so they allow, and they're huge on safety in order to connect with people in remote areas. And so this is where this partnership comes in. So I just want to give you a little background of what this company Globalstar is all about. Okay, so the question is, who is Cisa Trading? What is their trading solutions? What are they a part of? So this company, what they are all about is, first, they're located in Brazil and they're part of a wholesale trading industry. So what does that mean? The company offers logistics, storage, handling, shipment, trading, financing, and credit. Now, again, they have offices in the main capitals of Brazil and Portugal. They are customized services that perform a team of more than 250 employees, just to kind of get an overall understanding. Now, the company operates according to strict compliance rules in line with various service providers in foreign trade chain with strict compliance and regulatory environment and various import modalities. So hopefully that's a better understanding again of what these two companies are about, so we can understand the whole entire summary. Okay, so Globalstar Brazil partners with Cisa Trading, bringing asset management solutions for the oil and gas sector in Brazil. Now, a company with 25 years of experience in trading operations with the oil and gas sector have partnered together to bring that asset management solution. Already showing early success, the partnership has delivered improved operations with the supply and management of one of the biggest oil and gas companies in the world. As a requirement from the contractor, all 4,400 Cisa Trading containers require tracking and monitoring via satellite technology as they are moved in remote areas out of the cellular coverage. So this is what the partnership is all about. It's going to be the required tracking and monitoring via satellite technology. Now, Globalstar Smart One solar devices were selected to meet operational requirements. Powered by solar energy, overall, these certifications, the power device can be operational for up to 10 years with little or no maintenance, bringing efficiency and cost reduction to operations. So that's a major catalyst, and that's going to be proven proof of theory or proof of concept for Globalstar, which is great information and good to know. Now, the O&G sector is very concentrated and competitive vertical in Brazil. They're excited to have the opportunity to procure the business and confident in the partnership with Cisa Trading will deliver the effective, long-lasting solutions to the contractor. So, Brazil has become a relevant global player in the production of crude oil with increasing exports over the last decade. The quality of the product has also increased since the exploration of pre-salt layers supplying a lighter oil, which is used to produce gasoline and diesel, some of the most valued products. Brazil expects to be among the 6 biggest oil crude exports by 2030, which will bring additional opportunities and increased demand for the various LOT solutions. So this is what's been going on here recently. This was on April the 14th. So let's actually check out the charts and then give a price prediction. But let's see how this note affected the charts and with this stock. So now with Globalstar, we currently on Friday after the market, it was closed at $1.27. We've had a high of $2.98. But let's kind of give a little background of what's been going on in March and April to have a better understanding how our stock's been affected. So the first thing that I want to point out, and if you've ever heard any of my videos here recently, these are the few things that I feel like is what's making these stocks a little more volatile. So let's just tune in. So the first thing that I always think that's pertinent to what is being affected by the stock is always going to be new investors. So you're looking at retail taxes. So retail investors who have been making profits since last year and have been buying and trading over and over and over and doing these short-term gains are being affected. So how is that so? Well, if this is their first time, and I mean ever first time getting these capital gains, they've never had to pay taxes. So if you've never had to pay taxes before, then all of a sudden you get this bill come in around what? April, May, March, whatever the case is, whenever you decide to pay your taxes, you might decide to sell some of those stocks. Why are you going to sell those stocks? So you can pay your taxes. So there might be a trade-off on this situation. So yes, they have been making some profits, but they've got to pay their taxes. And if this is your first time understanding capital gains as a whole, then this is what's taking place. Then you've got the financial reports. So I'm sure you've heard through the grapevine, you've heard 2 weeks ago and this past week that there are many large cap blue chip stocks that are currently letting us know what their overall financial results are. They are announcing their 2020 or Q4 or maybe even Q1 results. And so depending on what those financial results are and the business updates are, again, it's going to affect the charts. And so that's also been taking place, especially with your stock or any other stock. You got to think it is going to be affected a little bit in these sectors. Then the last one, which I always think is the one that the majority of us understand as a whole, even if this is your first time into trading, is going to be the hedge funds. They've got so much pressure, so much stress that they have to meet or surpass expectations in Q3, Q4, Q1, whatever it is during their time. They've got to pass those results. They can't have these net losses. It always needs to be net gain. They need those gross opportunities, gross financial results that will help continue to have all these clientele. So it is a major deal and it's always going to be affected. So when we're looking at the chart itself, as you can see, again, $2.98 with a volume of 309 million. So then we fast forward to where we're at today, and what I'm looking at is we had, let's see, 12 million on the volume. So you went from 300 million to 12 million. So when it comes to the support line, we do have a new resistance, which is a little bit higher. I think it's about $1.11, which is great because before we were down with the new support line, which was less than $1, which that's a pretty big deal. So I just wanted to point that out. Now we've had some green bodies, for example, on April the 26th, where we closed higher than what we opened up at with a little bit of a wick below and above it, which is still a good deal because we had a little bit higher volume. Then we fast forward to the next day, which is a big deal. Now, if we were looking at April the 14th, on that catalyst with that news, we were in the green body, which is what I expected because that's always good results when you have the partnership as an example. So then we close, like I was talking about earlier, at $1.27. So I'm hoping when it comes to the price prediction, I've been telling a lot of my ticker feed community that in Q3 and Q4 is what we're going to be looking at. And so for me, I'm going to be looking at more of a high of I would say of $1.78, $1.84. So I'm super excited to see where this goes because again, we are getting a lot more support and less resistance. So I'm hoping it's going to continue to open up down the road during these next few months. So I'm super excited, but we need continued catalyst that's going to help our stock grow. And so with that being said, leave a comment down below if you own the stock, if you thought about buying it, if you are selling it, whatever the case is. Again, I'm always excited about hearing the comments. I really do enjoy it, and I do appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video. It really means a lot, and I really do appreciate the support. So overall, guys, hopefully this was added value, and welcome to the Ticker family.